Hello, my name is Nicole Frank. This is my house. This is one of the houses that built in 2020. I'm Norman's oldest daughter, and I live in this house. And I have family, my own family and my extended family as well, that lives with me here, as in my siblings. This one of the house have a small veranda as well. And our family, we like to sit in a big open with like big space, but it's only very small, one side veranda on the front of it. And we have a one side veranda in this house. In our culture, we're supposed to have two verandas. Our auntie and uncle sit on this side, and mother and father, and we can sit on that side with our partner and kids. Like I got toddlers and kids in the family member that I can play, but I can't even play because it's all gravel.